My dear student, my friends, how are you? Myself Dhananjay Upadhyay from India. Today I am going to speak only, not teaching, not teach. I will talk only about charge. What is charge? What is the means of charge? What is the electric field lines and why electric field line does not make closed curve, closed loop. Loop is most important. So here we are taking what is the means of charge. As we know that physics is divided in three parts. One part when Archimedes was dominant. Archimedes floating, and there are so many upthrust force at that time that was giving. Archimedes, a great scientist from Yunnan, I have intellectual love for him. After some time, Newton, for which intellectual love which comes to exist within my every part of my body, and then Einstein. There are three great scientists which was gained by our world, which was furnished by God, Allah, Khuda. Initially Archimedes said that at that time when Archimedes was dominant, he said that only weight is everything. Weight. And our 100% science, 100% physics was based on only weight. And 1600 something Newton came, a great scientist of all over world. He gave that except weight, we are any other things which is called mass. And now study moves within mass. And a great star, Einstein, who is founder of modern physics, who gave us there are only two things in all over world, all over universe, that is only mass and energy. My dear friends, we are talking about there are three great scientists which was gained by our world, and I am proud of these scientists. Initially Archimedes said that only weight is everything. Newton said that except weight, mass is most important things. And when Einstein came, he said that he tells us that within all over uniform only there are two things, mass and energy. There are not any other things except these mass and energy. And this is the most important pillar for mythological, either Hindu or Islamic era. We have only one God. We have only one Allah. We have only one Bhagwan. Means he said that Einstein, according to Einstein, within all of our universe only there are two things, mass and energy, and except mass and energy there are not any other things, and we can change by E bravely m into c square means mass and energy can be converted within one another. Exchange, this may be exchanged, this may be converted. Mass can be converted into energy and energy can be converted into mass. And this gives us a great faith for Allah and for God. Because within Hinduism, mythological, a great epic Gita, God said that, Bhagwan Krishna said that, Eko ham dutiyo nasti. Means there are only all over universe, only I am everything. Except me, there are not any other things. Here, mass and energy. And if we have a comb, because if we are going to study for physics, we are taking either mass, either energy, except both we have nothing. If we have charge, what is the means of charge? Here I am taking that we have a comb for hair, and when it will be rubbed with dry hair, at that time the comb which had not any property of attraction, that comes to having property of attraction. Why? After some time, scientists say that only due to transferring of electrons, this is hair and this is comb. For example, only I am written here. Some electrons either go from hair to comb, or some electrons comes transferring from comb to hair. Only due to this reason, the power of attraction which comes to existed within comb, as a result we can say that electrons means that is charge. We should know that initially a great mathematician Thales, who tell us about charge. At that time I had not any knowledge about plus charge or minus charge. I had only charge. Means only due to transferring of charge comb containing the power of attraction. Means charge is the intrinsic property. And here I want to correlate with Einstein theory. I am taking you that charge is transferring, but if this formula will be applied at that time, without mass, not any charge is possible. Okay, means if charge is transferring from comb to here or here to comb, at that time initially mass is transferring, and charge is the name of only property. Means here we may say that charge is intrinsic property. Means with help of charging, with help of this property, now comb is ready for attracting small pieces of papers only due to charging. Means charge provides the power of attraction, and we know that charge provides the power of attraction means capacity of doing work, and we know that work means capacity of doing work is called energy. Here I am relating here that due to charge a comb contains gains the power of attraction, and the power of attraction means capacity of doing work, and capacity of doing work is called energy, or energy is conserved every time. As a result, we can say that charge is conserved. Charge is conserved, and if a charge is present here, there will be so many lines which will be produced from this, and that will go towards all over universe. And if charge is conserved, it means the line which is produces by charge, that will be conserved, because here we can say that with respect to Einstein theory of relativity, mass and energy relation, means the line which is produced from this, if that will be closed, it means it is not conserved. Here I am telling you that charge is conserved, and the lines which produces from this charge, that is also conserved. And if this will be conserved, means electric field lines will be conserved. As a result, we can say that it will be not making a closed path, a closed loop. Means if it will be let imagine electric field lines is making closed loop. As a result, work done or energy will be not conserved. Why? Within next page I want to tell you. Here, let's suppose we have a closed electric field lines, means this is making a closed loop. It means if a Q naught is situated here or here or here or here, this will be experience a force here, this side, this side, this side and this side. Q naught, what is the means of Q naught? Q naught is only test charge. It is experiencing when this is situated on closed electric field lines. This is lines. I am telling here this is electric field lines which is made up by any source charge, no mention. How many work done? Here we are taking how many work done. We know that W is equal to only F into D, means force into displacement. Here how many force that will be experienced by Q naught, because this is situated in electric field, this will be experienced Q naught into E. And how many distance? Here we are taking only a small distance, this is dr, because when that will be very small, then this will be straight line, because we have a definition of a straight line that smallest distance between 2 points is called distance, straight line. Here dr, when that will be straight, when the smallest distance, and this will be related us with Newton, a great scientist of all over world. Here F and dr both are in same direction, both are parallel, then here we can write dr. This is only for a small distance, then we can write here dw. Why? Because for a small displacement, work done will be also small. Within integration, if radius is r, this is only electric field lines. Here I am imagining that the electric field lines will be closed loop. Here electric field lines is making, here I am writing making closed loop. Now we get here Q naught E will be as a constant and integration of dr, and Q naught E into E, this will be dr, this will be r. Here we are taking displacement only dx we can write. This will be very necessary for us, and this will be converted in x. This is only dx. I am taking here only a small distance dx, no problem. Here what will be the value of x? Means this is circumference of this closed loop, this will be 2 pi r. It means when electric field lines will be closed, then we are getting, when electric field lines will be closed, then we are getting work done QE into 2 pi r, means that is not equal to 0, means that is not equal to 0. And when work done will be not equal to 0, it means it is not conserved. When work done, in the case when electric field lines will be closed loop, at that time the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from 0 to 2 pi r, r means work done, here we are taking only work done, that will be Q E into 2 pi r, means that is having some value, means that is not equal to 0, and when work done will be not equal to 0, that will be not conserved. Here not conserved, and so it is contradiction. It is contradiction. Contradiction means electric field lines will not make a closed loop. Thank you. There are so many concepts. Thank you.